Morning, my loves. How you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. Go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka Mtoto wa Homa Bay County. Today we are going to make an oven baked and chicken. That is chicken and potatoes. We're going to oven bake everything. The ingredients are, as you can see, we have cayenne pepper, we have tomato paste, we have cumin, mixed herb, mixed spices, we have chicken. Don't worry about it, I'm just going to write down the ingredients on the screen right about now. We are going to start by preparing the potatoes. You can use as little or as much potatoes that you want. So what we are putting in right now is mixed herb. We're going to put in paprika. Listen, we did not measure anything because we're used to measuring with our eyes. Okay, but for a beginner, if you're a beginner, I'd recommend you start by using half a teaspoon of each and every spice that we are going to use here. Okay, thank you. We are then going to put in the turmeric after the paprika. We are then going to mix everything together. Then we're going to add in a little bit of cooking oil, mix that together and set the potatoes aside. Then we're going to move to the chicken now. Okay. Now for the chicken, I need to explain this. All the ingredients that I've mentioned for the chicken, we're going to put them all in a blender, including the maziwa mala, or if you're using plain yogurt, and blend them all together. Okay, that is tomato paste, coriander, that is cumin, paprika, turmeric, mixed herb, tandoori masala, all those spices. You're going to put them all in a blender, blend them all together, including the garlic, the ginger, the onion, all of it. Okay. So this is how it looks after it is all blended, though it is yellow in real life. The camera has removed that yellowness. So we're going to pour this into the chicken and let the chicken marinate for at least 4 to 6 hours. Now after pouring the marinade in the chicken, we're going to use our hands to mix. Actually, the marinade was a lot. We saved some to marinate something else later. Okay, so you can just use a little bit of it. When you see it's enough, you can store the rest in your refrigerator. You can use it next time. The chicken and the potatoes are now ready for the oven. We are going to cook them under 190 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. We're going to preheat our oven for 5 minutes. Also, we're going to check on the chicken at the 30th minute to turn it. I'm just going to show you that, okay? Okay. This is 30 minutes later. We're just going to turn the chicken, and we opted to apply some marinade on the side of the chicken that we turned. You remember the marinade that we had set aside? We took a little bit of it and applied it on the chicken side, the side that we turned. Okay, I'm just going to show it to you. So something else you need to note, after we turned the chicken back into the oven, after the time was up, we switched off the oven, yes, but we left the chicken inside so that it can cook with the heat there. We wanted it to be crispy and a little bit, look like a little bit burnt. I don't know if you understand, but that way. Yes, hivyo tu venye nimesema. Okay? Okay. The chicken was delicious, as you can see. As you can see, I know you haven't tasted it, but it was delicious. Try out this recipe. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.